Hello, welcome. My name is Joey Keller from Friendly Automate, and I would like to show you today how to create a similar, super simple double opt-in sequence campaign with Friendly Automate Mautic, and how to keep it so simple while being able to communicate with our customers, with our users on basically any number of languages. So let's start. Okay, as a first step, I created a little sketch to understand what assets we need in order to pull off this multilingual double opt-in process. So the process will be, this is the simplified version. We need a sign-up page where there is a form. We send out a confirmation email to those who confirm, and then there is a confirmation page when they click in the email, and that's it. So for that, we need 2 sign-up pages in 2 languages, which you can actually build in your WordPress if you want. We need the 2 forms, which we have to create inside Friendly Automate. We need to create the 2 emails, and the 2 confirmation page will be also hosted by us, but you can also host it on your own WordPress page. It doesn't really matter. So let's head back to our Friendly Automate and create the forms first. So like I said in the previous video, we're going to work backwards. So first we create the confirmation landing page. You can also just add the page to your blog saying thank you so much. That's equally fine. But we're just going to make it here. So it will be very simple. Just say thank you for confirming . So we're gonna say, thank you for confirming, you're about to receive a bunch of great emails. Okay, so we will save this. This is gonna be our confirmation page. And we will add a name, confirmation, English. We don't need the lines, this will be filled out automatically. And we will keep it system category just to have to be more organized. Let's save it. Okay, so now we have one here saying confirmation. Now let's make a new one, and we will call it confirmation German. So this will be DE. And we're gonna choose German as language. And choose that this is a translation of this page. So this way we can group them together and everybody will see the language specific to their profile. So we're gonna say danke. And here we're just gonna write a sentence that higher Anmeldung ist okay. So let's save it and save this one as well. So let's see how it looks. So we have here, where is the other one? So the other one is actually here saying as a translation, and it says German and English. So this is really cool because this way it's always grouped together. So if we add more languages, it will be all bunch grouped together. This page though is super important because we're gonna need to save this. So if I go back here and go to the German one, and you see I have a different page there. So that's already the German, and this one is the English. I'm gonna make note of these 2 pages, and let's go back to our confirmation emails, create them, and link these confirmation pages together. We're going to make the 2 confirmation emails which are sent out to the new subscribers. So let's go to channels, emails, and here we make a new one. Luckily, it's going to be a template email. Luckily, we have already a confirmation template, so we don't really have to write a lot. I will call it, the name will be confirmation English, and the subject will be thank you are 1 click away. English is the language. Okay, let's save this and go back to our builder. So it's pretty much already prepared for us. I will change this to awesome company. Okay, and here we need to change this text. So now here's the thing. This one should be the confirmation email. So this should be the link of the website where the customer goes for successful confirmation. That's the landing page what we just created. Oops, this is the German one. And we have to make sure that we're using the English one. That would be this one here. Okay, I will not change this email. Obviously you want to have your own. So here we have the link for our confirmation page, which we just created with our landing page editor. Okay, let's save it. Could be a little bit confusing that there is EN in this email in the link, just because I called it confirmation, but this is yeah, save it. Okay, let's make the German language as well. So we're gonna come here. The name of this one was confirmation EN, so let's make the German one. It's also template. Okay, I'm gonna call it confirmation day A, and we will set that this is a translation of the other one. It was this one. So this is how we tie them together. Let's save it. And we have a German template here already, so I'm just gonna choose it. Come back here and make sure that your link is the German link, which we have here. Okay, all good. And we're gonna call this also awesome company. Okay, great. So we have the German link here. This is the link of the landing page which we created before. So this is all good. And if we save this, then we will again see that these two are bundled together. So I only see the English one. It says it has translations. When I click on it, then those translations are suddenly visible and editable. So we will make sure that everybody gets their own language, or if they don't have a language set, then they will get the German one. But if you call it like the parent, the default, then this is automatic. Okay, so let's go back and create another landing page with our forms. So I will confess you, I already created these two forms. They look like this. One is the email subscription and the other one is email Anmeldung. Unfortunately, by forms you cannot have any language. Like, you can't group them together, you can't connect them. I'll show you how it looks. So email subscription, thank you message if someone fills it out, and the fields are just an email. Of course you should add name or something as well to be able to send more customized, more nicer emails. And the language, which I preset, and this is the trick here. It's very important that you have here the language code. like if I would use here English, it wouldn't work, so it has to be like this, and connect it with the preferred language. And yeah, that's all you need. And we also don't have any actions here, but it will start the campaign, which I will talk about in a bit how it works. Let's go back to the other language to see what we did there. Okay, so the other one is the German version. It's basically the same thing, just here by the language, the preferred language, I made sure that it's DE. So even though this is a German install and German language, this has to be DE, the 2-letter code. Okay, so let's create a landing page where we are tying up these two forms. That's just really for testing purposes. Already created one called test, where I have nothing else, just added this form number 7. Let's clean it up a little bit. So form number 7 is the English one, so let's call it properly English subscription page. Oops. Subscription. Call it like this. Oops. Let's call it like this. I shouldn't leave this test here. Okay. And let's go back to the other one. Create the other one, duplicate it, and this will be the A. Okay, let's save it. So we have 2 of these. This one is now also published, and make sure that we have number 3. So we're gonna have number 3 here. Okay, all good. Let's see how they look. So this is should be the German one. I'm gonna change that to German language actually. And we have the English one. Okay, so let's change the German one. Just change this text. Okay. And I will check one more thing just to be sure. Here, the button, I want to see if it's in German or not. Absenden. Okay, let's see if the other one is in English. Let's do this submit, that we have a full multi-language experience. Okay, all good. So we have the landing pages. We have the landing pages with the 2 different forms, and the 2 different forms will set the 2 different languages, and they can start, but they both starting a campaign. They're capable. We already created the confirmation email and the confirmation landing pages. So the only thing is now left is to create the campaign. Let's create our campaigns. We're gonna use this form, the number 3 and the number 7, email subscription and email Anmeldung. So let's create our new campaign. We're gonna call it, I will turn this off, and we're gonna call this campaign multi-lang opt-in. Let's start the builder. We start from a form, and we choose the email subscription and the email Anmeldung, like I said before. These will be the sources. If any of these sources sending a new contact, then the campaign will go through. So as next, we're gonna send an email, and we're gonna send an email which will be this email confirmation English. If the language fits, then the person will get the English one. Or if it's not German, the person will get the English one. If it's German, the person will get the German. So we will say here, send proper language conf email. Okay, so we're sending that out. The next one should be, here we're adding a do not contact, and I want to add this do not contact here because I don't want to send any emails to this person until it's confirmed. Okay, let's see if the person opened our page. So did they visit one of the websites what we had? If I click what we set for confirmation site, so I think the name was confirmation English and confirmation German. So if any of these websites are visited, then we can go for the campaign goes for the yes branch, and if not, then it goes for the no branch. So if it's a no, then it will be pretty simple because we will delete this person within, let's say, 10 days. Okay, so if no confirmed, then it will go away. If they're confirmed, then we should remove the do not contact as step 1, because why would we keep it there? That's the point of the whole thing. And we will also set one more thing. We will set the double opt-in marker on this contact. So this one here, and we're gonna set the double opt-in to yes, and that's it. And if it's all good, then we will have now the proper email sent. Let's test what we did. So let's do the testing. I'm gonna go to the English page first, and we're gonna send, I have an email already ready. We're gonna call it English, submit, and then let's go back. To the German subscription page. And again, this doesn't have to be on our server. You can use any subscription page. Just make sure that in the form you are also setting the language. So this is the German test. Okay, let's send it out. Now let's hope that we get the right language for each of them. Let's wait a moment until the campaign runs through. Okay, so refresh the campaign. So let's open this. We can see what exactly happened to this. We can see that we have the no contact, and the English confirmation email was sent out to this person. Let's go to the other one. Here we have the German confirmation. Yes, it's in German. And if you click, then it should go to the right page as well. I'm not sure that it will. Yeah, this is great. And the English one should go to the English confirmation page. All good. And since they are confirmed, this will be also removed in a couple of seconds. Let's wait a moment. Yeah, so actually I won't be able to test this because I'm the administrator, so I have to log in and click like that, which I'm not gonna do. But the point is that if you successfully send out this, then there should be an entry here saying that the customer is double opt-in already, and the proper campaign steps should be completed. So much about the creating a multi-language opt-in. If you want to add multiple languages, super simple. You can just create a new formula, embed it in your page, go to the channels, create the email as a translation of the previous ones, and the campaign will take care of the languages by itself. So thanks for watching.